it's Runa once again and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am doing the part 2 of Xiaomi Fimi phone camera. If you didn't watch the part 1, I link in the description below. So let's start. Here we go guys. So first we have to remove the cover. There you go. And then we have to turn this on. Press long press, however you're gonna say it. And this is what it looks like, right? And then swipe down, swipe to the left, and then click the Wi-Fi. And now we have to go to my cell phone. Click the Fimi Play. You have to download this from Play Store guys, and then click this one. There you go. And then if you haven't updated this one yet, it will show up here that there is new software to download. Then you have to click that one, and if but none, it means your Fimi phone camera is updated. And click the enter device, and this is what it looks like. And then after that one guys, you can see right here Wi-Fi connection, the Wi-Fi name phone, and then the password, what I mean. And then you have to click the connect, and then it will bring you to up here the settings. Click that one, and then after that, this is what it looks like. It's automatically connected, the phone thing. Then you have to cancel it right down. Oops. And then if wherever you put the camera guys, there you go. Look, I'm moving it around like that. It's automatically controlling by the phone. So the use of this phone guys is it's easy for you to check the gimbal and handle, how you're gonna use it. There you go, all the information right here, the axis lock and follow, pitch lock, gimbal lock, follow speed, joystick speed, joystick speed. So there is advanced settings, so everything is already in the cell phone. You don't have to click it from the camera, from the Fimi camera. So if you're going to use the video, there you go. So I have just to put the camera right here guys. There you go, just like that. So or right here, so it will more clear. So now if I'm going to use the photo, then I will just take a picture, click that one, and it will take it by its, there you go. And then if video, you are going to record it like this. There you go. So I'll show you there in the screen guys what it looks like using the phone. Then if you're going to end the video, just click it again, and of course the slow-mo. There you go. So you can click, and then I will just like that, and then go back to like that. So actually I'm moving the camera guys like that, and then end. There you go. So same as time-lapse, panorama. So that's how you control guys. So that's it so far guys, and I hope you learn a lot. And by the way guys, if you're going to cancel this one, all you have to do is just turn off the Wi-Fi. There you go, just like that, and then you are back in here. So if you are going to video yourself in front, since our camera is at the back right now, so you have, if you're going to bring the camera towards you, you have to click 3 times, 1 2 3. There you go. Here I am, guys. Hi, guys. If you're going to straight this up, guys, just click 2 times. So it will focus to your face. 1, 2. Look. 1, 2. There you go. There you go. And then if you're going to turn it back against you, so you have to click it again 3 times. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Just how easy it is, guys. So yeah, I hope you learn a lot from this video, guys, and I hope I can do more next video. I will gonna turn this off. There you go. And of course, don't forget to cover. And that's it. And there you have it, guys. So I hope you learn a lot. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe for more video and click the bell button so you will be notified on my next vlog. Of course, don't forget to like, share, comment down below if you have any kind of questions. Thank you so much and always take care and be healthy, and yeah, see you on my next vlog. Bye bye.